Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw one of the new starter Pokemon, and that is Sprigatito. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Sprigatito, we're going to begin with the eyes. So we want to start right about here. So I'm going to begin with like an oval shape for the eye. So we're just going to draw a nice big oval shape right here for one of the eyes. Then we want to leave some space, and we're going to make another one over here. So we'll make another nice big oval shape for the other eye. Now inside of here, we're going to make a second oval shape, and we'll do the same thing on this one. Then we're going to make a third small oval right inside of here. Now right in between, and then we can go ahead and color this in real fast before we start anything else. Now right in between the eyes, let's make the nose. So we'll make a little line across. The little line is going to go down and then up. Right here we want to make the mouth. So we're just going to begin by making a little line that curves down and up, and another one that goes down and then up. For the mouth, we'll just draw a nice line that goes down and comes up with like a U shape. We'll make a little line that comes up on each side for some teeth, and a little line across the bottom for the tongue. Now, right across here, we want to make the head. She's got a big, round head. So we're going to start right about here, and we're going to make a line that goes up and then down. So we just want to make it nice and tall. We're just going to come up and down. Now starting over here, we're going to make a line that curves up, and we'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to make a line that comes up. Then we're going to bring it down here, and the same thing here. We're just going to bring it down. Right here, we're going to make a line that goes out and then comes back. And do the same thing over here. We go out and then bring it back. And then right here, we're going to draw a line that comes down to a point and then up. Same thing here. We're going to curve this down to a point, and then we're going to come up. Now right under here, we're just going to make a nice big smiley face shape for the bottom of the head. Next, up here, let's make the ears. We want to begin right here. Let's just draw a line that comes up. Then we're just going to bring this all the way down to here. We'll do the same thing over here. Just leave a little bit of space. We're going to draw a line that's going to come up. And then we're going to bring it all the way down to here. Right here, we're going to draw that same shape inside of here. So let's just draw that same kind of shape that goes up and then down, right inside of the ears. Now let's work on the body. So starting here, we're going to make a little line that's just going to come out. And then we're going to do the same thing over here, just a little line that comes out. Next, we'll draw a little line that comes down on each side. We're going to make another line that goes out and in. And then one over here, we're just going to go out and then in. Then we'll draw a line that goes down and then up. Now before we go any farther, we're going to do a little shape in here too. So let's begin by drawing a line that goes out and in. And then same thing here, we go out and then in. Then we're going to go down and then up. Now, starting here, let's make the legs. Let's begin by drawing a line that's just going to come down. We're going to go out a little bit and then kind of curve it up. Then we're going to bring it up to here. Make a little line that comes across. And then we'll do the same thing. We're going to draw a little line that's just going to go down. We're going to curve it around, and then we're going to bring it up to here. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line. And then right here, we're going to draw a line that goes out, and then it's going to come down. We'll make a little line across. We're going to come up, and then we're going to bring this around and kind of curve and then stop right there. I'm going to bring this line over. We're going to jump over here and come right to there. And we just want to leave a little bit of space. Now for her tail, we're just going to bring a line that comes up. We're going to curve it down. We're going to go in, and we're going to go down to here. We'll put a little point here, and then we're just going to bring it over. And then right here we'll draw a line that goes down and then in for that other leg. And then we're just going to make another little line here and here for the neck. And there you go, there is your drawing of Sprigatito. Now, one of the things that we have to do is we have to add kind of like a little pointed like green shape in here, but I'm just going to do that with my markers instead of drawing it out. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.